take classes related to classes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Ravishankar. My school is Wakasai Convent High School. My class is step by step. My objective is to become English in Malayalam and after develop.
So, hello friends, good evening. My name is Divakashana Sapka, as well as a student of Step by Step class from Gold Batch, and my ambition is I want to become English confident. So, our today's topic is which benefits you give in your class. So, ma'am, you tell your benefit in class.
First time I joined step by step classes. Before I joined, I don't have confidence to how to speak with another person. But after joining class, I have little bit confident. A little bit confident to speak in English language to another person. Then after 3 months, I complete my silver batch syllabus, and then I joined gold batch. When I joined the gold batch, I started all the activities, and I have a little bit confidence. I doing practice regularly, and I have more benefit to join gold batch. Nice.
Which benefit I got in this class? Before I joined in syllabus, I do all activities, but how to speak English I don't know. Then I joined syllabus. Means that time I very fear because I go to class. That time all are speaking English. I am not speaking English. Now I am speaking very well to speak English, and I can go on to stage with 3 times, and that how many means like.
So, which benefit I give in class. So, I want to tell you. So, means my benefit is that time I joined this class. So, first time I don't do that study I don't do, and that sir told that there also I don't listening. Because of it, that time I thinking why that do study, why do that, why that listening sir. So that time I thinking. But one day I see everyone student is doing study, but I don't do study. So that time I decided. So that time I decided, yes, I also do study, and yes, I also go to in star course. So that is my goal that time. And means I also do study. I also go to that time star course. So that time I'm very happy, and means my goal is complete that time. And means that time I thinking that my course is finished. But no, that time is sir tell me, Divya, you joined that gold batch. So that time I'm thinking, what is that gold batch? I don't know that time what is that gold batch. So that my mother tell me they are gold batch. So means first time I don't join that gold batch because of everyone student is speaking English, but I don't speak in English because of I don't understand in English. So my mother has forced me, and she joined a gold batch. She joined me that gold batch. So I joined that, and first time I go to in class, that is my first day. So that time means I very fear because of that everyone student is speaking English, and that time I don't understand what they told. I don't understand that. So I go to, and means I go there, and I sit one chair. So backside ma'am sit, and ma'am called me. So that time I go, and means ma'am tell me that because you also speak in English. So that time means very fear that, and that time I told that ma'am, no ma'am, that everyone student is speaking English. So that time I don't speak. So ma'am shouted me that time, and I go to one group, and that everyone asked me that questions in English. So that time only 2 words I use, that yes or no, not means not use that other words. That means daily I came to one group, and daily I speak in English. So my confidence also get that time, and means I understand what they told, and then means that time I thinking that means everyone students speak in English. So they are speaking, so they are using that hard words. But means now I tell that no, they are speaking English, but they are not using hard words. They are using that simple words. And means now I also speak in English, and that is my benefit because of that I joined that class. And first time I tell that I don't join that class, but that means I understand that time because of that time I don't that join this class. So now I don't speak in English, and means more improvement also I get, and that is my benefit. and also means you also do practice in very well, and means you also speak in very well good, and next time also you get benefits. So thank you.